Assume that any distance of 100 feet can be taped with an error of plus and minus 0.02 feet if certain techniques are employed. What is the error in taping 5,000 feet using these skills? So, itong problem na to is under error in series. Bakit? Kasi kapag measure daw natin yung 5,000 feet, kailangan i-make sure natin na kada 100 feet na distance, pare-pareho yung error na makuha natin, which is plus and minus 0.02 feet. So, para makuha yung error in taping 5,000 feet, ang gagamitin nating formula ay error in series is equal to plus and minus E. Ano yung E? Error in each individual observation times square root of N. Yung N ay yung number of observations or measurements. So, we have plus and minus 0.02 square root of N. So, ano yung N? Number of observations. So, ilang 100 feet meron sa 5,000 feet? So, we have 5,000 divided by 100. So, input nyo lang yan sa calcul nyo. So, yung sagot ay letter B. Plus and minus 0.14 feet.